Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram story like option not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to Play Store and then click on search option, search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, go back to home screen and then find Instagram apps. Long tap on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info, click on I button or app info. Now go to storage option, click on clear cache, go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your device. After restart your device, open Instagram. Now open any story and see like option is showing now. If is still problem remaining, then go back and then go to your profile. Now click on three line icon from the top of right. Scroll down and go to help option. Now click on report a problem. Again click on report a problem. Click on include and continue option. Here describe your problem in details. After describe your problem, now send your report. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.